Hi, this is Mohit from Parallel Wireless, and today we are going to show the importance of ICIC and how Parallel Wireless can help you in mitigating the interference. Today's demo setup looks like this. We have a LAC, that is our LTE Access Controller, which is having the X2 connections to our CWSs, that is our Converged wireless system, acting as a base station. And now this LAC can connect to the N number of CWS on the standard X2 interface. So now we have two CWS connected in our lab, which are having one cell center UEs. That means it is directly fed by those CWS signal only. And we have one more UE, which will be fed by the signal of both the CWS, CWS1 and the CWS2. Now as you see, this cell edge UE is having the signals from the CWS1 and the CWS2. So that means this is going to see the signals from both the CWS, which means there is going to be interference, which means there are going to be high error rate, which will going to impact the user performance. As you can see, this UE is connected to the CWS, and we have two CWS, and this UE is fed by the signals from both the CWS, and these two are the variable attenuators, and with the help of these variable attenuators we have created enough interference so that this UE's throughput can be reduced. Now we have seen that there is a problem at this cell edge UE. Now the way to improve, the way to solve this problem is to enable the ICIC at our LAC. As you can see, currently we have disabled the FFR. So this all the error rate what you have just seen is because we have disabled the FFR. Now what we are going to do, we are going to enable the FFR, and now we are going to see how parallel wireless solution is going to help in mitigating the interference. As we enable the ICIC on the LTE Access Controller, it is going to start receiving the information from all the CWS connected under LAC. So those information will be coming via standard X2 interface. Once the LAC receives the information, it is going to run the algorithm, and it is going to decide what is best for each of the CWS, so that each can get a fair amount of throughput. And LAC, being an aggregator of all these nodes, it will send back the information guiding the CWS, so that CWS can schedule all the cell edge UEs on their node, so that it can have the less error rate, and consequently it will have a good user throughput. Now as we have enabled the FFR on our LAC entity, now you can see the error rate again. It is almost zero. There is no error rate which is seen by this dongle. So that means you can see the impact on the throughput, which is almost double. And if you see, we are having the same signal level from the source as well as the neighbor cell. That is about 95 and 99.
The benefits of this unique solution from Parallel Wireless to the operator are that the operator can use the solution to improve the performance of users in challenged cell edge conditions and enable the development of dense head nets.